Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the next one topic, that is biosynthesis of RNA. So the biosynthesis of RNA, it is an second one process into the central dogma of cell. That is the first one, that is the DNA replication. DNA gets converted into the new DNA by the process of DNA replication, and after this the specific synthesized DNA they get converted into the RNA. The complete process of biosynthesis of RNA, these are commonly known as transcription, commonly known as a transcription. Why this is called as a transcription? Trans in the sense they will be changed their form, that is a transcription. So the trans in the sense the specific double stranded DNA get converts into the single stranded RNA. Either these are of three types. First one, mRNA, rRNA and tRNA. mRNA, it is known as a messenger RNA. rRNA, these are known as a ribosomal RNA, and tRNA, these are known as a transfer RNA. So the specific double stranded DNA get converts into the single stranded RNA. This process is known as a transcription, or commonly it is called as a biosynthesis of RNA. So the double stranded DNA they get converts into the single stranded RNA with the help of an important enzyme, that is a RNA polymerase. The RNA polymerase, it is an important enzyme responsible for the conversion of double-stranded DNA into the single-stranded RNA. So these are variable in eukaryotes as well as in prokaryotes. So the single-stranded RNA, these are of three types, either mRNA, rRNA or tRNA. mRNA is responsible for the messenger RNA, rRNA for ribosomal RNA, and tRNA is for transfer RNA, transfer of amino acids. So the mRNA is only coding RNA, and rRNA and tRNA, both of these are non-coding RNA. So the specific types of the process in detail process of the specific DNA RNA transcription, it is happens in case of the cytosol. Happens in a cytosol. So cytosol, it is a location. In case of the prokaryotes, in case of the prokaryotes, in case of the prokaryotic cell, the location of RNA transcription is cytosol. But in case of the eukaryotes, the specific DNA replication and transcription, both of these processes are happens in case of the nucleus. But DNA replication, transcription and translation, all of these processes are carried out in case of the cytosol, in case of bacterial cell. So the specific types of the enzymes responsible for the transfer of or for the process of transcription, these are alpha, two subunits of the alpha, beta, beta prime and omega. The specific important enzyme for the conversion of double stranded DNA into the single stranded RNA, that is the specific, it is an core enzyme. In case of the bacterial cell, the specific core enzyme that consists the RNA polymerase. It is a core enzyme. It consists alpha 2 or so 2 units, 2 alpha subunits, beta, beta prime and omega. So all of these subunits, all of these 5 subunits, these are considered as a holoenzyme, or it is considered as a core enzyme. That consists the specific types of the structure of RNA polymerase is like this. This is the structure of RNA polymerase. It is a specific alpha subunit, it is a second one alpha subunit, it is a beta, beta prime, it is an omega. So the specific core enzyme that consists of alpha, 2 units of the alpha, then beta, beta dash or beta prime, and omega subunit. These are the 5 subunits come together and form a core enzyme, that is a RNA polymerase. So the specific types of the RNA, the different subunits have the different functions. For example, 2 alpha subunits, these are responsible for to recognize promoter, but it has low affinity. The specific, second one unit or the important unit, that is the beta subunit. It is a catalytic subunit. It has 5' to 3' polymerase activity. 5' to 3' polymerase. The next one subunit, that is beta prime. Beta prime, it is a larger subunit. This is a beta subunit and this is a beta prime. Beta prime, it is a larger subunit. It hold the template. It hold the template DNA strand. Hold the template DNA strands. And last one, that is the omega subunits. It has no efficient role. Maybe it is responsible for assembly of RNA polymerase. So the specific overall in this present lecture, the specific what is mean biosynthesis of RNA. Biosynthesis of RNA, it is commonly known as a transcription. So transcription means the double stranded DNA get converts into the single stranded RNA, and the important enzyme responsible for this, that is the RNA polymerase, and the process is known as a transcription. Double stranded DNA get converts into the single stranded RNA according to the Watson, Crick, Wilkin and Franklin. This single stranded RNA, these are of 2-3 types: mRNA, rRNA, tRNA. mRNA, it is a messenger RNA, rRNA ribosomal RNA, tRNA, it is a transfer RNA. mRNA, it is a coding one, rRNA, tRNA, these are the non-coding one. The specific location of prokaryotic RNA transcription is cytosol. Then the specific important enzyme, that is RNA polymerase. RNA polymerase, it is a core enzyme. It consists two subunits of the alpha, one beta prime and omega. There are the total 5 subunits are present in case of the core enzyme. Each and every subunit, they have the variable function. Alpha, 2 subunits of the alpha, they can recognize the promoter region. Promoter, it is an important region responsible for the binding of RNA polymerase, but it has a low affinity. Then the second one, that is a beta subunit. Beta subunit is a catalytic subunit. It has the 5' to 3' polymerase activity. They will be elongate the DNA strand. Then beta prime, it is a larger subunit. It holds the template DNA strand up to the completion of DNA transcription, RNA transcription. Omega, it has no any efficient role, but maybe it is responsible for the assembly of RNA polymerase. It is overall the specific introductory lecture for the biosynthesis of RNA, or these are also known as a transcription. An important enzyme for the process of transcription is RNA polymerase. RNA polymerase, it is a core enzyme. So the overall process, or what are the steps in case of the transcription, will be discussed into the next lecture. So thank you.